Hey kids! It's great to see you all. Today we shall look at some of the stunning birds. It's really going to be fun watching this video. Well, one of the favorite among bird watchers are woodpeckers. This bird is called as Acorn Woodpecker. Well, why are these birds called so? These woodpeckers eat acorns. What? Acorns? We used to think that birds are always insectivorous. But these birds are really adorable. Have you ever heard this? These birds have a feast on acorns. This tree is called granary, where it has thousands of holes in it, each of which has got an acorn. This serves as their winter food supply. These birds are so amazing, aren't they? Look at their art of drilling holes. These birds are highly social. They live in groups. We find their population in forest areas of California, southwestern America, and Central America. We can say bee-eaters are one of the intelligent birds. Though these birds eat dragonflies, flying ants, sometimes even wasps, they predominantly prefer bees in their food menu. But bees would always sting. How do these birds then eat bees? The bee-eaters can recognize insects, even though they see it as a food, but can categorize them. When caught, the bee-eaters throw the bee in the air few times to position the bee and then repeatedly thrash the insect against the branch until the sting is smashed completely. Then now eat the bee without being stung. The bee-eaters are very clever. Oh my God! Really smart birds. These brightly colored bee-eaters are found in Asia, Southern Europe, Africa, Australia, and New Guinea. Cedar waxwings are most popular with birdwatchers, as they are seen visiting towns, suburban parks, evergreen woodlands, orchards and backyards in North America quite often. Did you ever know that the waxwing birds can survive for several months with fruit alone? They finish all the berries in just a few minutes, as they love to eat these fruits very much. Though these birds are fascinating, they are sometimes dangerous. This is because sometimes they eat too many berries, even overripe berries, so they occasionally become intoxicated, or even die. You can't believe this. You can watch them falling over each other or crash or hit against a window. So don't even stand under a tree when these birds have consumed too much of berries. Waxwings are known for their social nature, for we come across them in flocks. It's rare to see this bird single. This picture is really heartwarming. Look at these birds. When they are friendly, they would sit together and pass food to each other. Waxwings are native of North and Central America. Can you tell me? What do these look like? Well, these appear like a water snake swimming. But these are darter birds where only neck is visible, look like a snake. Hence darter birds are commonly known as snake birds. These birds are so unique. They can fly in the air and also swim very well. Their diet includes fish, amphibians and invertebrates. Darters are well known for their hunting style. They first dive, and then impale the fish with their beak, and then swallow the fish right away, with head first and then the whole. Darters are native of India, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, and Indonesia. Well, have you ever wondered how tall the emus can grow? These birds, being the second largest bird after ostrich, can grow up to 5 to 6 feet as tall as humans. Did you ever know that emus are the birds born to run? Yes. Even though they are flightless birds, they have got a strong toes on each foot. Look at this 3-toed foot. They are very powerful. They can run very fast, around 50 kilometers per hour. Do you think that these emus can be dangerous? Though these birds are raised in farms sometimes, they will kick with their 3-toed feet the people or other animals, if they feel unsafe. Hence we must be careful and never underestimate these birds. Emus have got 2 sets of eyelids. One helps for blinking and the other keeps dust or sand out. Do you know, what do these emus eat? Rocks. Rocks. Are you sure it's rocks? Yes, they swallow small pebbles and rocks. But they eat them to ease their digestion. Their main diet includes grasshoppers, beetles and cockroaches. The emus avoid thickly forested areas. They live in open plains, farms and tropical woodlands. They are native of Australia and they are the national bird of Australia. Flamingos are remarkably interesting birds. Quite popular for their pink colors. Did you know that the flamingos are whitish-gray when they are born? The chicks stay whitish-gray for 2 years. Are you wondering? Then how do these birds turn pink? Flamingos are fond of shrimp, snail, and algae. They would dine on them a lot from the wetlands where they generally live. These food contain a chemical called beta-carotene that has a red pigmentation that turns the flamingos to pink or crimson red colors. Hence the flamingos have pink or crimson red colors. Wow! Look at those fabulous colors. Look at this flamingo. It's tipping its head upside down. Ah, this looks so weird. But that's the flamingo's style of eating. They have got a unique bills. These bills help them to filter the food they eat from the muddy water. Can flamingos fly? Well, most of them believe that these birds cannot fly or fly for a short distance. But believe me, they can fly longer distances up to 100 miles a day. Oh, it's so cool. Flamingos can run on water. This also helps them to speed up before their takeoff. Flamingos are highly social birds. They live in groups called colonies. Well, can you guess how large would be a flamingo's colony? The largest family of flamingos contain 1 million members. Oh, that's really amazing. Flamingos can live everywhere, from mountains to flatlands, wherever they get plenty of water and food. Their habitats found in America, East Africa, Asia, and some parts of Europe. It's also the national bird of Bahamas. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you.